What is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Concept 2 rower. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit the little bell icon. The Concept 2 rower has been around for a while. This is the one with the standard legs. Does a great job, and this is what it looks like in its entirety. I'm going to go ahead and stand it up so you can tell how it stands up. Takes up just a little room as it stands up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stand the rower up, and all I got to do is just to take one hand and just tip it over, and it stands just like that. I've got a little tripod situation. It's about 7.5 feet long and 2.5 feet across. And I'm just going to go ahead and bring it back down. Again, I'm using one hand to bring it up and down, so it's pretty easy to change positions. Right now I have the screen folded down. I'm going to fold it back up and reset the handle. It's got a little chain drive, but it's super smooth. You can see the little foot pad adjustments. And it comes with little straps that you can adjust like that. The seat slides really easy. You just have to clean up the rail every once in a while. The rail itself is pretty thick, but it's not heavy. As you can see, I use just one hand to do that. The damper for setting the resistance is right here, so you could just set it up and down. Goes from 1 to 10. Set it back on about 6. Give you a quick little demo on how this thing moves. Sounds like a demo. It's not really loud. Here's a close-up of the actual screen. You can start rowing just by hitting this button. You can kind of change the units just by hitting this button. It goes to meters. See how it kind of scrolls through the different units. The display, you can change how that looks. This is like a little graphing chart. You can use that as a little motivational thing, I suppose. And back to the menu. Select workout. You can change the different lists. Never actually gone into games. Okay, so you can play games with this. Memory and different options. So alright, it's got a wireless option. There's a lot of things that we haven't actually used, but I think it's great. It's really smooth. It's pretty quiet, long lasting, and you could definitely check it out. I'll have a link at the bottom. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below. I think it's a great rower.